couple of years, and we appreciate our sheriff for doing the things that he's doing to try to bring the community together. So at this time, I introduce to some and present to others our sheriff, Reginald Skinner.
Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome to what we consider to be God's country. If you haven't been here, welcome. I'm sort of taking some more time. People are still walking down. So we can do one greeting. This is a massive outtake. It seems to be over 400 bites already. Some folk are meeting us on the route. As we came down, we saw folks stopping along the route. Very significant, very time-oriented. This is exactly what we need. And while they're walking down, I want you guys to understand the reason and the purpose that we're doing this. There is a significant rift between law enforcement and the community. And if there's no relationship, there's no trust. No relationship, no trust. Folks don't believe what you say. They believe the things that you do. And so thus, one of the reasons that we're coming together, people that don't look like you, that don't believe like you, that don't understand like you, that don't think like you. But I can guarantee you this, within this crowd that we have here today, two things we have in common. One is that we all want to be safe. That's number one. And number two, I guarantee you this, that when you cry, your tears are the same color. And so I'm going to task you all as we go out today on this ride and subsequently have a party at Village Park. Talk to somebody that you don't know. Talk to somebody that you haven't met. Greet someone that you haven't greeted. I guarantee you we'll be wiser because of it. We'll go to the next level and we can come together as a community and calm some of these waters. That's the overall objective. All right? You all hear me? Sounds good. So I'm gonna let Shakira talk. I know my Colonel just got through fussing at me saying we're a little late. Is that right, Colonel? Okay, she said I'm a little late. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Let Shakira talk, we're gonna pray, and then we're gonna go out. Because you know I just came from the club, obviously. I don't know what time it is. I want to thank everyone for coming out. I've been in here 6-7 years now. It's a beautiful place. It is God's country. Another thing, Sheriff forgot to mention that we all have in common. We all like to ride.
Yes, sir.
We all like to ride. Beautiful day. God took care of us today, so we're going to ride safe, and we're going to get to the park. We're going to do some food out there. We're going to do some drinks. We're going to see some dancing. I don't want to see no dudes twerking. I don't want to see that today, okay? I don't want to see none of that today. So, yeah, Boston ain't here. Boston can't ride with this fat ass in the back anyway. So, again, I love you guys. Appreciate you coming out, man. We're going to have a good time, man. Thank you. Love you. All right. Appreciate my cousin coming out, Marvin Stanley, also better known as Slim from 112. So we're going to pray and cover. We're going to jump on our bikes. We're going to ride out. And maybe you can have a little bit. Ben's ring is never with us. Niggas out here today. That thing gonna sweat all down your face today. And then I'm gonna push it like this. Oh, dude. All right, we're gonna pray and do a safety break real